What's going on, YouTube world? Back again with another video. Today we have an unboxing of a Motorola Razr 2024. Picked this thing up on Amazon. It was on sale. I think I got it at $4.49. And this is my first foldable device. One of the major reasons why I picked it up was because, the honest truth is, it was on sale as well, but I'd rather have a wide angle lens, and this was less money, and then you still get the decent sized screen on the outside, so I figured why not. I got the orange, or the spritz orange, and yeah, pretty excited about this thing here. Pretty much been on a slight Motorola kick these days, but because I haven't been rocking a Motorola in a long time. And what's funny is I'm using a pry tool to rip off the tape. Yeah, you probably never seen an unboxing pry tool, but I got one here. So let's go ahead and, this is the starter show right here. So let's stop talking about that other phone. So inside of here, looks like you get a dongle. Looks like a dongle. Might be. Some books and everything. So let's open this up. Yeah, the books and stuff, and then here is your USB Type-C. Oh, that wasn't a dongle, that was just the cable? That was just the Type-C cable? Oh, must have been just the Type-C cable. Well, I don't really need this, because I got plenty of those. I don't need the charging adapter either. But I still think it sucks that they don't put it in the box these days. So just to go over a few of the specs, as you guys probably saw, I had to pull it up here on the Moto G Stylus. So it is a 6.9 inch display. It is full HD. You get a 50 megapixel camera. It's a wide angle camera. And then you have an ultra wide. You have 8 gigs of RAM with the Dimensity, or the MediaTek Dimensity 7300X. Haven't used this processor before, so I'm curious to see what it's like. The battery is 4,200 milliamp hours. So, you know, I don't really expect too much with a battery that size, but hopefully it's optimized pretty well. Ooh, look at this bad boy here. That, get that out of there. Here it is. That orange color thing looks good. Big fan of that color. I'm so glad I went with this color. It's the bottom over there, the Type-C charging. There's a speaker cutout, and then you have your, I believe, fingerprint reader, as well as power button, volume up and down rockers, top of the device. Screen external display, as well as the dual cameras, and here's the front of it. Man, look at that, you see the crease in there. Interesting. Slightly though, it's not like, you gotta really look for it. You can see it, but it's not like too, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's not too visible. So let's go ahead and power this bad boy back on, or on, excuse me. And do not remove the pre-installed screen protector, as it will damage the display. And I heard things about people like getting rocks and stuff in their folding phones and then like damaging the display. I'm like, well, damn, like, the hell you been doing? Like, I don't think these things are supposed to be the most durable, but I mean, hey man, you got to take a chance at some point, and the price was right for me. So let me put a little bit of information in here real quick, and then I'm gonna see if I can get to the home screen. So hold on one second, y'all. All right, we are back, y'all. I got my information loaded up on the device. Pretty much Motorola telling you, hey, do not get any debris in the crease of the screen here, because otherwise it will be damaged. But there it is. Then close it down. I gotta play with it a little bit more because I haven't set up the secondary screen just yet. But yeah, man, it's yeah, it feels good so far, to be honest with you. Feels like a regular phone when you have it open. But yeah, man, I'm definitely gonna be playing with this thing. Let me activate the camera, see how the camera looks. External display, camera preview. Oh shit. Oh, there it is. Okay, that's pretty cool. Don't mean to curse, but let me see. Can I turn that off? Yeah, there it is. Yeah, camera looks pretty good. There's that wide angle. 2x digital zoom, macro. Yeah, man. I mean, I've seen like mixed reviews when it comes to this stuff here about the camera itself, but from what I'm seeing so far, I'm not really tripping on it. Got to play with it a little bit more, and then here's the selfie camera, which I probably would barely use, because I don't see a reason to use it when you can just easily close the phone, and use the external display. I believe is a camera. I don't know how to activate it yet, but let me see if that worked. Oh, there it is. Do not remove your screen protector. Oh yeah, we know. You said it like 10 times already. But yeah, man, it looks pretty good. I like it so far. I gotta get used to it. Gotta play with it. It's gonna be a little bit of a curve for sure because it's a totally different form factor than what I am used to. But so far, man, yeah, I'm liking it. It's working pretty well so far. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this video off here now. I got the Motorola Razr here, you guys. So expect some content to come out in the future with this here. Should be pretty interesting. But until next time, peace.